I wonder who invented swimming. Probably like the bravest guy ever. What if our solar system is just a giant spaceship? It's powered by the sun, and all of us are just passengers along for the ride. But where are we going? Did we tame cats? Or did cats tame us? If the earth is flat, where's the middle? Our planet is a living, breathing thing, full of organisms. And I am a living, breathing thing, full of smaller organisms. I'm a planet. What if my soul chose this body solely for this exact moment in time, and this will be the absolute peak of my life's existence? Sure hope not. Wonder if it's gonna rain.